Hello everyone. Welcome back to NHS Lens, a platform where every student works very hard to keep you updated of not only about the monthly happenings of NHS premises but all around the globe. So we, the members of NHS Lens, are here in front of you for the session of 2025 and 26. So let's start with the current affairs of the month of April.
Hello everyone, I am Suvikya. ISRO successfully tested the SE2000 semi-cryogenic engine, which will enhance the payload capacity and replace L110 crew stage in the LVM-3 rocket.
Mitesh became the first Indian boxer to reach Boxing World Cup Finals 2025 by defeating Makan Tarora of France by 5-0 in the 70 kg category semi-finals.
Introduced Gemini 2.5 Flash, allowing developers to the fine-tune AI, reasoning to the thinking puzzle, reducing the output cost.
The Varanasi Literature Festival debuted this year, celebrating Indian and global literature with panel discussions, poetry readings, and book launches.
The Japanese Grand Prix was held in Suzuka from 4 April to 6 April, followed by the Bahrain Grand Prix from 11 April to 13 April, and the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix from 18 April to 20th April.
The Cheetah Project Steering Committee approved the relocation of some cheetahs from Kuno National Park to Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh, aiming to establish a population of 60 to 70 cheetahs in the Kuno Gandhi Sagar landscape.
Murmu withheld access to Tamil Nadu's NEE exemption bill, leading to criticism from the state government.
The Ministry of Environment, Forestry and Climate Change introduced new greenhouse gases emissions intensity target rules GEI 2025 aimed at reducing carbon footprints.
Hello everyone, I'm Vasari Krishnan along with my co-broadcaster Lakshita Dwivedi. Welcome you to our special news coverage of NHS Lens featuring New Heights School in April 2025.
The school gates were opened on 2nd April 2025, welcoming the cheerful students. The students of pre-primary began their new sessions with a lot of heartwarming activities like palm printing and thumb painting.
New Heights School celebrated its Foundation Day on 3rd April 2025, celebrating the achievements, success and growth in its glorious journey. The students presented a mesmerizing prayer song followed by a prayer dance and speeches that reflected the journey of our school. On 9th April, a lively and informative benefits of fruits activity was conducted in pre-primary wing to help children understand the importance of eating fruits. Our young and curious learners embarked on a fun and engaging journey into the world of nutrition through an interactive activity on healthy and junk food. The activity was held on 12th April and encouraged the students to adapt healthy eating habits.
Young minds actively participated in the Jump on the Shelves activity which took place on 12th April in pre-primary wing. This fun-filled activity helped reinforce shape recognition and improve listening skills and coordination among the students.
The Monitors Badge ceremony was held on 17th April to acknowledge and honor our bright and confident students with shiny badges symbolizing leadership, discipline and responsibility. On 21st April, our Little Language Explorers discovered the world of Vilom Shabd through an interactive Hindi activity of Vilom Shabd. The colorful flashcards and exciting activities helped the students in enriching their Hindi vocabulary.
The talented achievers of New Heights schools were awarded for their exceptional hard work, dedication and excellence on 21st April on the occasion of Achievers Award ceremony. The event recognized the achievements of students in academics, co-curricular activities and overall development and celebrated them with enthusiasm. A special morning assembly was organized by Social Science Department on 22nd April on the occasion of Earth Day. The students highlighted the importance of protecting our planet and promoting sustainable development.
Our school hosted a parents orientation program on 25th April to warmly welcome the parents to the new academic year. It was an informative and engaging event.
A fun-filled and educational activity, Match the Alphabet, was held on 26th April for the students of pre-primary. The activity aimed at reinforcing literary skills and alphabet recognition in an exciting manner.
Our enthusiastic learners explored the world of colors through a vibrant and engaging color matching activity held on 26th April. The activity helped our little ones to identify, name, and match the colors in an interesting manner.
Felicitation program to honor a budding mathematics enthusiast was organized on 26th April. The event focused on felicitating a gold medalist in the SOF International Mathematics Olympiad and celebrated the hard work and dedication of the students.
Anshi Singh, student of 9A, was awarded the Excellence Certificate on 26th April along with cash prize for Bharatiya Sanskriti Gyan Pariksha, a prestigious national level examination for exceptional performances.
30th April 2025, students of grade 3rd to 5th demonstrated the creativity and commitment to sustainability during the Inter-House Helping Hands, Crafty Hands Recycle Craft competition. The skillfully discarded materials into work of art, highlighting both creativity and environment responsibility.
The Creative Corner for April was a lively celebration of imagination and artistic talent. The month overflowed with colors, inspiration, and energy, showcasing artistic spirits of our young learners.
Thank you very much for being with us. Stay tuned till that next month. Bye.
So that was all for this month of April. But for sure, we'll meet next month again. Till then, take care. Bye bye.